Part 2, Stonehenge, solstice morning. Used to be in the 60s, in the 70s, in the 60s, there was a very few people here. There were 3 festivals here in the 70s. And then the police stopped it. There was barbed wire around that, only encouraged a few of us to even try harder to come here. And for a good few years it was quite seriously scary. And then they started letting people in again in the late 80s, early 90s. And in a bad winter, when it's ice and snow and rain, you'll get 200 or 300 people here. And when it's a cold, wet one like it was this morning, you had 400 or 500 here at dawn when we got in. And now look at it, there's thousands of people here. There's about 5,000 people here at the moment. And well, it's Stonehenge at winter solstice. You can hear the drums. There's all types of chanting going on. Hell of a place. Start of a new year. Who wouldn't want to be here, really? A few people are saying, oh, it's not the same as it was, there's too many people here, but you've got to blood the youth in. You've got to bring the youth in, because this place has outlived everyone. Thousands and thousands of years. It's worth keeping going. Happy solstice, everyone. Happy New Year.